got a bit of a job on here. I've got to try and dehang, disassemble these very heavy doors. They're 2.5 metres high, about 1.5 metres in width each. And they're solid oak, but they've been clad with pine as well. Just with matchboard. They're pretty shit. They had the day. So we're going to be fitting new doors. But in this video, I just want to show you how we remove that door. Okay? I will be flipping backwards and forwards because, the microphone's there. A bit of chain block work, I reckon. They feel a lot heavier than I first imagined, and I'm suffering a bit today because that's my fibromyalgia. So I'm gonna give myself a little bit of help. Unfortunately, there ain't enough room on the at the top for me to pull it out from the bottom, so I'm going to have to undo the little bolts on the old coach screws. Before I show you, right up there we've got this little arrangement here. You've got this pin, the pintail is going into this strap here, which provides the knuckle for the hinge. I've got one more to take out of there. These three were loose. The actual nuts themselves are corroded around the threads in the actual oak, you see. They're reacting with each other. Whenever you put anything like that into oak, dunk it into grease first. If you put any mild steel into oak, it helps prevent the wood going black for the start. We've got one here where the nut in that, how to put it, the head, the square head, right, is not very uniform. It's well, it's a funny shape. So it doesn't fit the spanner very well, and they're all different sizes. So an adjustable might make more sense. Then you've got to keep messing about in a confined space with it. So this is the last one to come out, hopefully. The door doesn't suddenly go while I'm on the ladder. I hope not. Right, virtually there. Now what's probably holding that in there is paint. Now to be honest, it's only really this one nut. This one nut here, the last one, it seems to be the tightest. Anything, it's the longest as well. You look at that one, right? Yes, there's the corrosion on there, but it's on the surface. It hasn't really corroded right into the metal, so it's still biting into the oak of this beam here. Now, that should free up probably my hammer, but you can. All right, as long as it's loose. While I'm on the ladder, and there's a risk of the actual door just going. I have to hide the top of the door off, as you saw a moment ago. I did try to lift the door, which has some slack here, you see, but I didn't have room above the door itself before it hits the beam on the other side, because the thickness of this door, you see. This door's been overclad, these boards aren't original. Oh, yeah, okay, it's free. So let's remove that. I don't want it falling off and breaking something, or me. So let's get that out of the way. So I'm holding my camera at the same time doing this. Whole door. I'm going to take these doors away because, whenever I get wood, I do, because there's probably found there's a load of match board in there I could probably make use of on one of my sheds or something. There's nothing wrong with match board, it's just it looks like it's chestnut. It might be it's like Douglas or chestnut. It has been grist at some point. If I was sensible, I'd get down the ladder and get my hammer, knock this off, instead of using a 17mm span hammer. I'm not sensible. It's not so much fun, is it? There you go. We got it. So there we go. Now I'll move my tools out of the way that are down the bottom there, because when I let this go, I'm just going to literally let it drop. Yes, it might damage the door somewhat, but I'd rather let it drop and not damage me, if that makes any sense. And there's nothing in the way if I don't move my tools. Oh, I'm really suffering today. With fibromyalgia, the day that I have to do this job, it's kicked off. It's about right, isn't it? Eh? Oh, there you go, drop my phone. These things usually happen, don't they, to me? Yeah, I'll put you back in again. Tell you what, I don't recommend. This is a OnePlus. Not OnePlus, this is a Google Pixel 6. I don't recommend them, they're rubbish. Ill thought out phone, really is. In my opinion. So at the moment I've got this tied up at the top here. Now I've got a choice now. I'll either just take my ladder out of the way. Got a hammer here. There's my hammer. Right. The ideal thing for me, I don't want to push it at the bottom, I want to push it at the top. Right, so what I don't want to happen, I'm looking at this, it can't fall this way anyway, so I'm not going to take this clamp off. It can't fall like this, it's got to stop there, and then you've got a pin of the hinge. Right, didn't need that after all. Right, it can't fall this way anyway, because there's a stop up there, and on the other end you've got the actual hinge itself, so it can't come this way. So really all I want to do now is find something that I can poke it with higher up, and hopefully it just falls flat. Where it is? Crowbar. Right, so let's put you over here. If it's disastrous, you'll be able to see. Right. Right here. Crikey, it's nuts. It's not fall on me, but it's flipping heavy. And I've got 5 oh, that's no good. Stuck there. That's not helpful. Right. Push that in a bit first then. Did you see that? It's not reached the car. There we go. There she blows. That's one. Alright, now I've got a choice now. I just leave it there for the minute, or put it straight into the trailer. So anyway, that's what this video is about. Removing a barn door. Now there's 2 ways of doing it. Unfortunately I couldn't do it the first way, which is usually a darn sight easier because you haven't got to remove the hinges and stuff. But I had to remove the hinge up the top there, right, so I could actually drop the actual door that way. And then if you look on the bottom here, you might be able to see better. We're talking about this pin, that little notch at the bottom of that door there. Literally just sits into like a square iron washer just there. Okay, and that is the bottom of the hinge. Seems mad, doesn't it? But it's just the sheer weight of the door itself that holds it into place. I'll tell you what wasn't holding it into place was the bolts that I undone. Let's have a look. Such as these, because they were loose. Either movement around the wood itself and the corrosion and sort of like friction around these bolts. 3 of them were loose, weren't really doing much. Only one, which was the longest one, that one, was actually biting, and that was the hardest one to remove. So anyway, there you go. That's how you remove a barn door without killing yourself. Well, I say that. It's more luck than judgment, wouldn't you say? So anyway, please be most kind and beat the old like button, maybe subscribe to the channel, because then you get one face feeling in your pocket every time I upload another video. Oh, that's one gone.